making a suffrage cake, which is spice cake, and Tara found it in the suffrage cookbook. And we're going to put it in the Dutch oven and in the fire. Here.
And this cake, the recipe was given by Harriet Batchelder, and it's a cookbook that's from sometime in the 1880s, 1890s. It was produced to, I think, raise funds for women's suffrage, and all of the contributors, of course, were in favor of women's suffrage. And there were some, it was interesting to me because some of the women had names like Mrs. Dr. Reginald Harris, and then some of the women had names that where they were doctors in their own right, or they were Lucy Shaw, or names where they actually had their own names. So I found that very interesting.
We read books about voting at our family tea party. Books about Susan B. Anthony, Elizabeth Cady Stanton, other leaders, and the tens of thousands of activists like Grandmother Edna who sacrificed and worked hard for years so we can vote today.